after about 2 hours drive from our last pit stop, which is the is it the Fairview Orchard? Yes, yes, yep. It is. Okay, and then we have arrived at Dunedin Holiday
Park. Turn left. Turn left, then your destination will be on the left.
Thank you.
Yay.
Google Map.
Welcome to Dunedin Holiday Park. 5 kilometers per hour, please.
That is pretty slow.
You need to crawl.
Yeah. Your destination is on the left.
Crawl.
I don't even have to
do anything.
Yeah, just let
That's very cute.
Oh yeah. Where can I park? I no parking. Maybe here. Kia ora and welcome to our world. Yeah, so very nice. Lots of nice painting here. Lots of cute painting here as well. So let's go to check in at the office. Check-in is very fast, very fast. So we got our site now. It's just right over there, number 5. So it's near to the washroom, and then it also can walk to the beach. So this is the map. The lady is very nice and professional. We have plugged in the power. We have settled down everything, and then this park is a very cute park. We have lots of the drawing, lots of the cute sculpture, and then even those at the one on the top, you can see that over here. Yep. So now we are going to show you one of the features that I like the most, which is, oh, Sean is coming out. This one, the outdoor barbecue stove. Ta-da! Chef, position yourself and pretending you are like grilling the burger. It'll be like this. So you can do your cooking right outside, so the cabin will not be that smelly. And let me show you. So there is 2 stoves. One is big size, which means that you need to grill something big, and the small one is just like a light heat, maybe some small fish.
Or you can actually on both, and then you can have a evenly distributed heat.
Sean is preparing the vegetable for us to grill at the barbecue pit, and then dinner will be grilled vegetable and beef with butter. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the chef, Chef Sean. Da, 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 da. Music.
Hello everybody.
Yeah, so now Sean is going to demonstrate that how you can make a cooking.
There's no place to put. What should I do?
Don't worry, this Brits is a very brilliant company that provide you almost anything that you need.
Very well thought of. Give me a second. I go to the back.
Yep. So this is not just a normal board.
Yeah.
So turn to the back.
With a stand like that.
Yep.
And then to deploy it, you just have to give it a good squeeze over here, and then there's a catch. Make sure that it goes into the catch. And so
it's not iron bottle.
It's only one side. What should I do? Here you go. It goes inside like that. Fits very snugly there. So it's like a mini tabletop for you as you barbecue your food. So what you can do is you can put it here, and then ta-da!
Ready to cook!
Yeah! I'm going to start. So I think it's warm enough, the plate. First, I'll spray some extra virgin olive oil.
And it's from New Zealand.
Kiwi land. I'll spray a generous amount to make sure that it doesn't stick.
And it's easier for cleaning as well.
Okay. After that, I'm going to put in the vegetables. Can you hear the sizzling sound? On the other side, maybe we'll put some mushrooms.
Lots of fiber for tonight. The tong is provided by Priest as well. We don't have to bring that from Singapore.
So everything is provided for. Basically, you just need to go to the supermarket to buy the ingredients that you want. And you can start leaving the van lah.
Anything that you're not sure, you can always text them.
Yeah.
There's a live chat function. You can just ask them. If you think that you're going to do barbecue at night, don't worry. This is a switch. There is a light down. So you are okay to make the barbecue outside as well. Hungry at midnight barbecue? Just come outside. Very windy, I have to say. So what we do is we use the bed frame to block the wind. And then just wash up if they're stained with any oil. Yeah, let's see. I can smell the vegetable now. Very colorful.
After I find that the veg is almost done, right? I will put some simple seasoning. Just have some salt, pepper, and a little bit of salt as well to give it that extra flavor. Toss it around to make sure that the spices are evenly distributed. The mushroom looks good. I'm cooking the second batch now to prevent the pan from becoming too greasy. I'm going to add more oil. It's actually starting to drizzle. Add more oil. Okay, let's do it before the grease.
I think let's skip it. Let's cook it inside.
Okay.
Good evening. Sean, as you've seen the video, Sean has made a grill the vegetable outside. But unfortunately, it's rained halfway. So this is the grill veg.
Yes.
It looks. Hang on. It looks beautiful, right? And then because it's raining outside, he have got no time to grill the second batch. So we microwave it. Some people might think it's funny, but as long the veg turns softer, and then drizzle with some vinegar and then
balsamic vinaigrette
and then pepper, it will be a very good salad. And this is the pie that we bought along the way today from Jimmy's Pie. It was started the business by 1940 until now, and then this is handmade pie. Have a very good review from the internet, and this cafe looks amazing.
It's the Courthouse Cafe.
Expensive as well. We spent about 40 plus for the lunch and the dessert. Yeah.
So the one you see over here, right? This is the raw coconut and raspberry slice.
Wow.
And this is the citrus tart.
Okay, let's eat the pie first. I'm hungry.
Okay, so Jim is this is actually the spinach and mutton pie combined together. So you see that there's an S over here. So this is actually spinach. And Jim's one, I believe, is mutton.
Yes.
The filling is really very delicious. It's very nicely marinated. The lamb does not have that gamey taste to it. Very nicely done. And coupled with the very a bit soft and a bit crispy kind of pie crust, it's a very good combination. The crust is not too thick, so it actually complements the filling really well.
Because it's add on the spinach, it tastes much more better, and the cream and cheese as well, right? And this one a little bit plain to me, but some people like to eat the original taste. It will be perfect for you. Let me try the grilled vegetable.
Oops. Try the carrot.
Very juicy. It's just nice. Just salt and pepper. Tomorrow will be slightly boring, but we have to go to camp freely without the electricity.
So it's a non-powered site. It's freedom camping site. that you can camp, and then but you don't have access to the amenities like a communal kitchen, bathroom facilities, toilet. Yeah, so it's going to be entirely different, a different kind of experience.
Sean is very stressed by the 7-day food plan. This lazy chef might look for those marinated beef.
No.
Sean made the supper for me. Yes. Show me the supper.
I prepared the supper. Ta-da!
That's good, right? It's a heavy supper. And how he prepare?
Very easy. Just turn to my right, open the door, choose high power 4 to 5 minutes, and that's it.
Yeah, actually we bought it from Pack and Save. Pack and Save or Pack and Save?
Pack and Save. It's a slow cooked beef chicks in juice. And we are attracted to the wordings of it. We think that it will sound really nice, fragrantful, aromatic,
juice,
tender, and it will disintegrate in your mouth. Okay, I'm gonna cut it. Oh,
tender, right?
Oh. Then I will let Jim have the honor of taking the first bite. My food is hot.
Wow, it's very tender. Just like pressed, and it tastes much better than the Singapore Airlines beef cheek. Seriously. And right. How much is that?
I think about
$12. $12
New Zealand dollar.
Tastes like fine dining quality, I have to say. And it's just like without the good plating and without the side.
Yeah. And it's actually their house brand.
Oh.
Palms.
Oh yeah.
So you see a lot of other groceries also with bearing the words Palms.
Hey, more supper leh.
Huh?
More supper.
Still not enough.
Yes. Food.
Count to 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
So fast.
What is this?
It's a quiche with a slice of camembert cheese on top. And this looks like cranberry jam.
Let's eat.
Smells good.
Can you smell from the camera?